Hey kids, let's learn color and A to Z. Let's fun together. Purple color, black color, brown color, red color, green color, yellow color, parrot color, blue color and pink color. Let's learn again color. Brown color, green color, parrot color, purple color, black color, yellow color, red color, blue and pink color. Orange color, Z for zebra, orange color. Green color, K for kite. Red color, I for ink. Orange color, D for dog. Sky blue color, E for elephant. Yellow color, J for joker. Orange color, G for grapes. Sky blue color, S for sheep. Yellow color, M for mango. Green color, C for cat. Red color, P for parrot. Orange color, N for nest. Red color, A for apple. Green color, O for owl. Sky blue color, Y for yak. Yellow color, X for Xmas tree. Red color, T for tiger. Sky blue color, H for hen. Green color, R for rabbit. Green color, F for fish. Sky blue color, L for lion. Orange color, Q for queen. Yellow color, B for ball. Yellow color, U for umbrella. Red color, W for watch. Green color, V for violin. Thank you for watching.